Alright, welcome back friends. I just got my UWOWO Maid cosplays in the mail. This is the second thing I've ever ordered from them. So let's open it up. This is my Rosaria and Mona cosplays. Oh my god, the lace! What? Okay, so we have two bags. So this is the Mona cosplay that just came, and I think, yeah. I have her wig too? This... Did they include ponytails? I put them inside? Oh, okay, thank god. They did. They're here. It came with a wig cap. The mesh that they put around the wig to keep it safe got tangled around the top, but it's okay. This wig is a little shiny. And it's kind of thin. It's kind of thin compared to some of the other wigs we've looked at. This one's really light. This one might be a little uncomfortable. I'll report back on that. And then these are the tiniest, like, pigtails. Oh my god, I don't think I've ever seen pigtails this tiny before. Yeah, hold on. They, like, snaked these in on each other. This net is really hard to get off. Oh, but it is super long. Okay. So that's deceptively long. We're good there. These are just the tiniest, like, little pigtail things I think I've ever gotten. But at least it'll be lighter on my head, I guess. So this Maid cosplay was $50 plus shipping, so super cheap, and it looks like it's really like a really good quality. Oh, I don't. Okay, where to start? So, oh, it looks like most of this is one piece. This is the top here. Got some nice lace. And this is, there are pads in here, which is really nice. This is really nice and silky. It's not like a cottony material. That's really nice and light too. It's the embroidery on the front. Wait, are there? There's an underskirt, right? I think there's an underskirt. The back got a little bit of stretch that you can get there. There's lace on the back. We've got these really cute ties on the bottom. I'm not tying this very well, but it's really cute. This fabric is like a really nice shimmery fabric. And the lace detail on the bottom of this is so cute. So cute. So it looks like it has like the entire shoulder open, and then this must tie. I'm not sure what that ties to yet. Got a ribbon in the front. Got a nice ribbon on the sleeves. That's really cute. Okay, I see. So this is the main part of the dress. And then we have headband? What is this? What is this? Is this the tiniest witch hat? Where does that go? Oh my god, what? Okay, hold on. Okay, so this little witch hat sits like right in front of her Maid like headband, so she has like a little witch hat right there. That's adorable. Oh my god. It's like a foam hat. They've got a layer of fabric and then a layer of foam under that, and then it's on a clip. It looks like we've got her like stockings, her fishnet stockings, and some clear straps. And then these are her accessories. We've got two really cute bows. These just sit on the very bottom of her skirt, right on the front. They go like down here. And oh, okay, we've got a choker in here. Yeah, she's got a choker, and then she has like a body chain. So, okay, this is really pretty. I kind of like want to just wear this as a thing. There's that. I don't know how to show this. It's got like, here's the choker. It's got all of these different sections and these nice little stars on it. This is gonna be super cute. And then this is the chain that like goes around her waist. Oh boy. So this is gonna be interesting to keep untangled. Oh, okay, never mind. We're okay. So yeah, this is the chain that goes around her waist, kind of off the side. It's got another one of those really nice metal charms on it. And then I just want to see if they put like a clasp spot on her maid outfit to put that. Oh yeah. Right there in the front. They've got a spot to clip that on, so there's probably another on the side somewhere. Well, they have one on the center back that goes side to back, maybe. And then I think this is the last. Wow, wait, so there's really no pants with this? I was expecting there to be like pants. There are not pants. It is bring your own pants. There's gorgeous bow though. So this goes on the center back. Look at this lace. Oh my god. That's beautiful. It's on this really nice long bow back. I love that. Hey, look at that. They've actually sewn the safety pin on the back. Yes. I think that's the first time I've seen that actually through the holes on something this big. Yeah, let's try her on. Okay, so this cosplay is super cute, but right off the bat, do not buy this wig. This wig was $18, which isn't so bad, but like the clips don't stay in, the wig itself is super small, and it's really thin, so like it could pass for some quick pictures, but this is not a comfortable wig to wear for a long time, or like a good. It's not good. Don't buy the wig from the site. But the cosplay is super cute. The leggings are really nice. And all of the details are really great. It's really short. It's really, really short. This doesn't come with like shorts or an undersuit or anything. So you're gonna need some shorts or like a bodysuit to put under this because like these are my shorts. I picked these out to wear under this because like there's nothing. There's just don't buy this and expect to like just take it out of the bag and wear it to a con because your butt will be out. You are gonna need like some safety stuff. The rest of this, like, it's super easy to get into. It zips up on the side. Just put the accessories on before. I was able to clip these onto the front really easy, but I had to get help to clip it on the back because I forgot to clip it on like before I put everything on and I can't like reach around. Yeah, Maid cosplay, absolutely worth it. Just note that to make it safe for public, you're gonna need shorts and like an undershirt or something, so just know that. But for $50-ish, 1,000%. Leaves of this did want to slip down a little bit, but on the whole, I didn't think it was a huge issue. If you have a friend to tie that string in the back, you'll be golden. And that's pretty much it. I highly recommend this cosplay, actually. The price point was really good. The quality was absolutely amazing, and it fits super well. I think the biggest detractor was just not having pants, so I had to figure out my own under situation, which, I mean, we made it work. We made it work. For around $50, you'd be hard-pressed to find just a better, even generic Maid cosplay. So if you were looking at this and you're wondering about it, I'd say go for it. With the price, quality, and fit in mind, I think I'm gonna give this cosplay an A. It's so close to being an S, but the shorts thing has me kind of hung up here, so it's a solid A. I'm not even gonna talk about the wig. Don't get the wig. But yeah, awesome cosplay. Thank you again for giving me your time today. Our next review/unboxing is going to be the UWOWO Cosplay Rosaria, and after that, Kokumi. So we've got a ton of stuff coming up, and I'll hopefully see you again really soon, but until then, take care.